Welcome to Instant Cooking. Today I am making Veg Delight Pizza. So for this we are gonna use lots of vegetables: mushroom, sweet corn, capsicum, onion rings, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper. So take a pizza base, add 1 teaspoon of refined oil on one side of pizza base just to grease it. Cut mushroom into small pieces. Take capsicum, cut them into small cubes. Take onion and cut them into small cubes. Take baby corn and diagonally cut it. Take yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and cut them into cubes. Try to cut every vegetable in same size. Now on the other side of pizza base, add pizza sauce. If you don't have pizza sauce, you can use tomato ketchup. Spread it properly. Now add baby corn. Now add sweet corn. Add onion. Add capsicum. Add baby corns. Now yellow bell pepper, mushrooms, red bell pepper. It is Veg Delight, so completely cover it with vegetables. Now add a pinch of salt. Add a pinch of black pepper powder or oregano, pinch of oregano. Now cover it with processed cheese, whatever cheese you like. If you want to use mozzarella cheese, you can use it, or processed cheese, normal Indian processed cheese. Now on preheated oven 180 degree, bake it for 10 to 15 minutes and your Veg Delight pizza is ready. So try Veg Delight pizza at home. Thank you.